What if the secret to letting go of that daily joint ache wasn't about adding one complicated medication, but simply mixing two natural powders into your morning routine? Are stiff knees or aching hips keeping you from walking freely, playing with grandkids, or just enjoying your day? Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to the Senior Golden Life channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most common challenges we face as we age: regaining comfortable, reliable mobility. We're focusing on a powerful, dual-action nutritional strategy using curcumin powder and collagen peptides powder together. This isn't hype, it's a research-supported inside-out approach designed to target both the pain and the structure of your joints. Why is this topic especially important for us in our age? Our joints face a two-front battle as the years go by. First, there is the silent problem of chronic inflammation. This low-grade, persistent fire in the body is what causes joints to stiffen up and often leads to the pain of osteoarthritis. Second, the essential building blocks, the protective cartilage and connective tissues begin to naturally wear down. To truly restore comfort and mobility, we can't just treat the pain. We need a strategy that puts the fire out and rebuilds the structure. That is exactly what this two-powder trick does. Curcumin handles the internal fire, and collagen provides the external building material. It's a classic case of synergy. The two are much stronger when they work together. Let's look at the 7 evidence-based benefits this combined approach can bring to your daily life. Significant joint pain and stiffness reduction. Research consistently shows that standardized curcumin powder is highly effective in relieving pain associated with arthritis, sometimes performing as well as common pain relievers, but with fewer stomach side effects. Rebuilding and protecting cartilage. Collagen peptides deliver the specific amino acids like glycine and proline your body needs to maintain and repair joint cushioning and connective tissues. This is the long-term structural defense. Enhanced muscle strength. This is key for seniors. When you combine your collagen powder with a resistance exercise program, studies show it can dramatically improve muscle strength and body composition, helping to fight age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia. Stronger muscles mean less pressure on your joints. A powerful systemic antioxidant. Curcumin doesn't just help joints. It is a profound anti-aging agent. It helps calm what experts call oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to how quickly our cells age. Support for healthy blood sugar levels. Studies suggest curcumin can offer protection against complications common with diabetes, and generally helps support healthy blood sugar regulation in the body. Boosting heart health by helping reduce chronic inflammation and oxidative stress in the blood vessels. Curcumin contributes to overall vascular health and may even support healthy blood pressure. Faster recovery and better mobility for those who stay active. Collagen has been shown to improve joint mobility and reduce the feeling of pain at rest and after activity, meaning you can walk longer and recover quicker. Now, here is the secret to making these powders work their absolute best. Both curcumin and collagen are naturally hard for the body to absorb, but 5 simple pairings can unlock their full potential. Curcumin, for example, isn't absorbed easily on its own. The simple solution? A touch of black pepper. The compound in pepper, called piperin, is scientifically shown to increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. Always look for a curcumin supplement that includes piperin, or add a dash of black pepper to your drink. Curcumin and healthy fats. Since curcumin is fat-soluble, dissolving it in a fat source helps it get into your bloodstream. Try mixing your dose into a splash of coconut milk, a few drops of MCT oil, or even your morning coffee with a high-fat creamer. Now, let's talk about collagen and vitamin C. As the essential construction worker for your new collagen, it is an essential cofactor. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply struggles to take those peptides and build strong new tissue. Mix your collagen powder into a glass of orange juice, a berry smoothie, or take a vitamin C supplement concurrently. Collagen resistance exercise. As we discussed earlier, if you are working to maintain muscle mass, studies confirm that taking your collagen peptides 1 hour before or after your strength training session, like lifting light weights or using resistance bands, significantly enhances its effectiveness. Collagen, zinc and copper. These 2 minerals aren't the main players, but they're still important supporting nutrients that help the main process work properly. They are cofactors in the complex process of building strong collagen. Prioritize foods rich in these, such as nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. 5 bad pairings. We are only concerned with safety here. These are powerful compounds, and we must always respect our prescription medications. Always consult your physician or pharmacist before starting any new supplement. Here are 5 key interactions to be aware of. Curcumin has a mild blood thinning property. If you are taking prescription anticoagulants like warfarin or Coumadin, combining them with curcumin can dangerously increase your risk of bleeding or bruising. This is a critical discussion to have with your doctor. Curcumin and certain blood pressure medications. Curcumin can interfere with the way your liver processes certain BP medications, specifically, some calcium channel blockers like diltiazem or verapamil, and angiotensin receptor blockers, such as losartan. This interference can cause the drug concentration in your body to spike, leading to unwanted side effects. Collagen and empty stomach medications. Some prescriptions, especially certain thyroid medications, must be taken on a completely empty stomach for proper absorption. Since collagen is a protein and considered food, experts recommend separating your collagen powder from these specific medications by a minimum of 2 hours. Curcumin can increase bile production. While this is usually helpful, if you have a pre-existing bile duct obstruction or gallstones, high doses could worsen symptoms. Discuss this with your doctor. The supplement market is not as strictly regulated as prescription medicine. Avoid low-quality products. They may contain ingredients or contaminants not listed on the label that could interfere with your health or your drugs. Since many of us manage common conditions, here are a few tailored tips. For high blood pressure, given the potential interaction with certain BP medications we just discussed, please monitor your blood pressure closely when starting curcumin, and again, only begin after consulting your physician. For diabetes, curcumin can be helpful in supporting healthy blood sugar management. Furthermore, early research suggests that collagen peptides may potentially help in lowering blood sugar levels. For weak digestion, if you experience any mild nausea from curcumin or feelings of fullness or bloating from collagen, which can happen when you first start, try taking a smaller initial dose and slowly increasing it over a week. If you have gas or gut issues, some people find it better to take their collagen at night. For arthritis, the most important advice is consistency. Because joint repair takes time, studies that show the best results for both pain and structure were done over 3 to 6 months. You must stick with it daily to see the long-term benefit. To keep your 2 powders fresh and potent. Consistency over timing, whether you take them in the morning coffee or an evening drink. Research confirms that taking them daily is far more important than the exact time. Find a routine that works for you. Keep it dry. Store both your curcumin and collagen powder in a cool, dry place like a pantry or cupboard. Do not refrigerate them, as the humidity can cause clumping and spoilage. Seal tightly. Always ensure the lid or zipper is completely sealed after every use to keep moisture out and maintain freshness. When you buying, look for products that have been certified by independent, third-party organizations like NSF International or USP. This ensures that what's on the label is actually what's in the jar, and that it's free from heavy metal contaminants. Preserving your ability to move comfortably is essential for a rich, independent life. By embracing this simple 2-powder approach, using curcumin to quench the pain and collagen to rebuild the structure, you are taking proactive steps toward that functional longevity. Remember, small steps every day can lead to a world of difference in your comfort and mobility. Be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the journey back to walking freely. If this video helped you understand the power of this inside-out approach, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to stay healthy and active in their golden years. Thank you for watching.